In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to backup. Windows 11 computer. Backing up your Windows 11 PC is one of the smartest things you can do to protect your files, settings, and app preferences. If your computer ever runs into problems, or if you switch to a new device, having backup features turned on can make the setup process much easier and help you avoid losing important data. In this guide, I'll walk you through the built-in Windows backup options in a simple and practical way. To begin, open the Settings app on your Windows 11 computer. The quickest way to do this is by pressing the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard at the same time. This shortcut takes you directly into Settings, which is where Windows stores most of its backup and account options. Once Settings is open, look to the menu on the left-hand side and click Accounts. This section controls your Microsoft account connection, sync options, and backup-related features. If you do not already use a Microsoft account on your PC, keep in mind that some backup options may require you to sign in before they can be enabled. Inside the Accounts section, select Windows Backup. This is the area where Windows 11 lets you manage what information gets saved and synced to your account. It is designed to help restore your experience more easily if you reinstall Windows or move to another computer. Here, turn on the options for Remember My Apps and Remember My Preferences. Enabling Remember My Apps helps Windows keep track of the apps you have installed, making it easier to restore them later. Turning on Remember My Preferences allows Windows to save certain settings, such as accessibility options, language preferences, and other personalization choices. This can save you time because you won't have to manually set everything up again from scratch. If prompted, sign in to OneDrive and choose the folders you want to sync. OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage service, and this is what helps back up many of your personal files online. When choosing folders, focus on the ones that contain your most important content, such as documents, pictures, or desktop files. Syncing these folders means your files can be available again even if something happens to your current device. After that, your basic Windows 11 backup settings will be in place. It's a good idea to check these settings occasionally to make sure everything is still syncing properly. Keeping backup enabled gives you extra peace of mind and makes recovery much easier in the future.